Day 2. We are on our way to the start. Despite our best efforts yesterday, we're not starting from the back. We're actually starting at like 66, so like kind of like right in the middle because there's like 110 cars. We would have been much further along had we completed all 3 stages, but we got the 3rd stage, took 2 penalties, and yeah, so we're starting 66 actually because there's a lot of DNFs and a lot of people that didn't do any stages. So I'm gonna ride Titan stage 1, stage 2. So Alex is actually driving stage 1, stage 2, and I'm gonna jump back in for stage 3. So we're back in. See how today goes.
Pump. Stoked.
All right.
It's gonna be a good day.
Somebody came in here and planted all these trees one day, and they're like, 100 years, these are gonna be freaking huge. Like, I love seeing those long driveways, like long roads where it's just like trees. I'm like, somebody planted those.
Hey, you guys have fun today, man, okay?
Thank you.
Alright, here we go. Go! Straight left. Straight into it. Long ride up here.
This is so fucking cool.
Yeah, this is
How sick is this?
long right here. Wild. Keep right. Stay straight.
We're staying this way?
Yep. Yep, there's a right. Long right here.
Long right?
Right, yep.
Stay right. There's a lot of marks going that way.
There are.
Yep,
Yeah,
stay
go
left,
that
go
way.
left.
Alright. This pin has moved a little bit.
Oh, she's thick right there.
Yep.
Maybe that's why they want you to go that way?
Yeah, probably.
We're going around this.
Yep.
We're not going through that.
Nope. Yeah, good line.
That's an entire course of people that went the wrong way. You were right.
Yeah.
Everyone went the wrong way through that soft shit.
Yeah.
But we just joined where we were supposed to be.
Stay straight.
That's muddy, dude. Look at the windshield.
You're gonna have a left and a right coming up.
Exact thing I was trying to help prevent happened. And I'm like, they're gonna need momentum to get up that, and the guy in front of them like missed the turn. Yeah. So they had to stop. All right, let's go. Grab the strap. When that UTV came up and stopped on the hill, and it got our truck stuck because it was then on like the 45-degree angle, they had to back up and then hit it with speed. Same kind of thing is happening over here in this apparent sand trap.
Stay straight, keep coming straight. We're coming into a left. Caution, we got some soft sand here, but stay left and a right and a left. Oh yeah, oh shit, keep your speed up, keep your speed up. Keep your speed up.
Right over it.
Oh shit.
Alright, stay here, Alex.
There's 4 trucks stuck over there. So it was like one truck probably went too cautious, got stuck, and the next truck comes up, can't get around, gets stuck, and then and there's 4 guys in there, and ours is one of them. So we have the straps, we got the winch, see what we can do.
It's like deep sand, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we need to get like that way, but just keep on trying to find like the smoothest routes. Just keep your eye left for being able to get in. Here, let me drive. This is not ideal. That's that ridge line. I'm gonna run. fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just stuck in sand. The only reason why I got stuck is because with that transmission fault, somehow lost our 4-wheel drive. And a lot of the cars out here are 2-wheel drive, but in a situation like that, once again, like here with that hill, if you lose your momentum, you know, you get stuck.
Truck did really well. We hit the front right corner really hard, and I don't know what it did, so we're inspecting that right now. It was cool. This was the tire off our first stage for today, and it just got tore up when we got stuck. So we're gonna keep it as a spare, put a fresh tire on.
But yeah, now we're in a transit corridor, so we just, you know, pitted the guys in, they jumped out, kind of took a breather, water, little bathroom break, and I jumped under there and was just checking those front tie rods because they said they hit a big rock. Everything still seems good up front. I just set the toe on it because it was a little cattywampus. And yeah, so now we're pacing up with them. They're a few cars ahead, heading for stage 2 start. is the only thing that we could do to fix it. I don't know if they have any.
And I can see one area that is very not good for coolant staying inside of things.
We got a rag of some sort?
Need a rag?
Yeah, please.
Good luck, guys. Good luck, guys. Thank you. No problem.
We are on our way back to the pit with the truck, so we're hoping to find a rad of any type, anything. We can't really clean it very well.
We have that epoxy from earlier. It's been a little
So clean it, dry it, and stick it on there. I mean, we certainly can while it's out.
Okay. Yeah.
So leave it in the sun. Dude, I had a hole in my rad when I first did my V-mount on my SR20 back in 2004. JB welded it.
Still on there to this day.
At least until I took it off like 4 years later. Yeah. Never swapped it. It had so much work on it.
Yeah.
You know, to make it V-mount.
I think all those 10 mil. Oh.
Yeah, right here.
These plastics off.
Sure. Water, water, water. We're going.
They run out of fuel.
They run out of fuel?
Yeah, so we taking fuel to them so we can fill up it.
So it's not that dirt got in there, it's just...
No, I don't think we have fuel in the truck. That's
Okay.
That's what it
Essentials, get in! Jackson, Devin, get in! Andres and Alex, button us up. Yeah. Literally past these guys, like right there, 1 block away. we were ahead of them, pulling in, and then we took a wrong turn, and then we came down the thing, and we were waiting, and I was like, oh shit, that's them. We pulled out and just drove around and passed them.
Every time we pass and you pass, I'm like,
I know. It was literally us two, like pulling up the rear all like a week.
yeah.
It's all good. We made it.
Good job, man.
Yeah, man. You too. You too.
Yeah,
Made
we all
it.
this thing together twice.
That's right. Oh man, fucking made it, dude. Oh, dude. This thing.
God damn.
Pushes through the brakes. Like gotta stop. Like that's how bad they are. Yeah, dude. Good job. Oh, sick. Thank you. That was awesome.
For the opportunity to be able to do this. You know, Chris brought us in here as a team. It's so much fun co-driving with Alex.
You
and having
killed it.
Jackson.
So good at it.
And
Dude's a natural.
And it's just really, really awesome experience to be out here. It's so awesome that Chris brings us out here, and you know, all the sponsors that have helped us out to get us out here and have a lot of fun on the course. And I hope we can continue to do this.
Yeah. It's so awesome. Jackson's the Jackson of all trades.
Yeah.
I learned at this event. This dude is a badass at anything that he does. But yeah, I'm super thankful. Chris called me like a week ago. He's like, yo dude, you want to go to Baja? I'm like, yep, I'll blow off my family vacation. Let's go.
You got the last minute flight out just to roll in and drive.
Yeah, I know, right? But huge thanks to him. Huge thanks to all of our partners, Nesmo, Nissan, you know, Steal It guys, everyone. It Yokohama, obviously, you know, so much grip at this event with those tires.
Oh, yeah.
But it was awesome. It was awesome. This is definitely a thing I think we'll all remember for the rest of our lives, for sure, without a doubt.
Yeah, I mean, these dudes said it. It was an amazing day. Like, seriously, like co-driving with him, starting off, sitting in the back seat was awesome experience to be able to soak everything in. Listen to Devin co-driving, seeing Alex drive, and seeing some of his rally experience kind of bleed over in the way he was driving and handling the course. It was awesome. So I really enjoyed the first couple stages. We had some problems, but we persevered through everything. I can't say enough about the guys in the trucks, the guys in the truck, in the race truck, and the guys in the chase trucks, just willing to do anything at any moment, and like meeting us in the race course, coming to help pull us out, whatever was necessary. Everybody was pitching in to every degree. I mean, we even had Chris and Andres and Owen searching through junkyards looking for radiators for us. So I mean, no stone was left unturned. So I mean, I'm really proud of this team, proud of these guys, proud of Chris, how he drove, and seriously so grateful to be included in this kind of thing, and for Chris to include us and bring us along and let us do it. It's just like means so much, and for sure, like Alex said, something I'm never gonna forget. And excited to learn something new. I definitely want to co-drive again.
Yeah, we learned a lot today.
Yeah, and co-driving is addicting, I think. So I really want to try to get better at it and just.
We're gonna drive too at some point.
Yeah, I hope to co-drive, but we're definitely gonna drive the truck at some point. Yeah, that would be awesome.